Okay, I'm going to make a quick video for Matt. He wants to see his babies. They're sleeping right now, Matt. There's the eclectus. Everyone just ate about 45 minutes ago. Oh, they're awake. You want to come out and say hi to Matt? Want to say hi to Matt? Oops. It's kind of hard one-handed. Come here. Let's show Matt your beautiful tail. This baby's going to have a white tail with a silver, it's hard to see here, it's got one silver line right down the white tail feathers. Each feather has a silver line down it, and then it's going to have beautiful gray speckled feathers in the middle. It's still at the ugly stage, a beautiful slate color. I know it's kind of hard to see. And this one is going to be just about the same, it looks like. This one's got its little top notch coming in, even though, oops, where are you? Its little top notch, even though it's a day younger. And a few feathers are opened here. Come on, can you hold still for a second? And they are actually white with the very, or slate with the very tips are tipped in white. This one's wing feathers aren't tipped in white. And this little fella is. And you can tell, this one's the loudmouth. It's not the least bit hungry. Look at that crop. The 10 days he was in the box, the mommy and daddy kept him really full. They always do with the loudmouth. Whoever's the loudest, they feed the most. Hope you enjoy your video, Matt. Babies 127 and 128.